I want the public to be aware of one really bad player. They will be out of business if they don't adapt. Little did I know how many of you will share your stories. LeafFilter has proven to do more damage than good. Don't let LeafFilter screw you. My name is Dmitry. Over the last couple of years, I made a lot of videos about gutter covers. Today, I will share my story about Gutter King of Twin City. What happened to that company? It's actually used to be my business. I closed it a couple of years ago. I want to share and answer all your questions you have been asking me in comments under my gutter videos, because you guys have asked a lot. A lot of you have asked, Dmitry, what's your expertise? How do you know gutters? Why do you make so many gutter videos? All of that in this video is going to be the saddest video on a gutter cover topic I have ever made, because I want the public to be aware of one really bad player with a really horrible ethics. In 2013, my company did about $500,000 worth of gutter work. Gutter guards, gutter covers, gutters, anything gutters, we've been doing a lot. I own a roofing business, but gutters always goes right next to the roofing, so we always been installing gutters. In 2014, I started Gutter King of Twin Cities just to try to get more in the gutter business. And for about a year, I ran both companies. I ran Gutter King of Twin Cities, and I ran Storm Roofing, my roofing business, separate here in Minneapolis, Minnesota, covering St. Paul and all surrounding areas. But unfortunately, I have major theft in my company. One day we came to work, all the equipment, gutter machine, everything was stolen. I ended up closing gutter business, Gutter King of Twin Cities, just for this video. I went and actually found the shirt, found the hats. I still have apparel. It's fair to say I know what works, what doesn't work. For years I've been removing, crappy gutter covers from the roofs, and gutter cover and gutters in general, it's one of those things in your house that you do want to take seriously. Gutter covers are very important, but it's important to find a company that actually works, the product that works, and not to overpay for it. When I see some gimmicks in advertising, and when I know the sales pitch, the sales process, makes me want to puke to what they do to the consumers. Last year we did a video on a company called LeafFilter. I wanted to make a very positive video. I just wanted to expose one detail, is their sales process. I love the internet. It's a great equalizer. Because of the internet, I believe the companies get better, and those who practice dirty, shady techniques, sales techniques, high pressure, they will be out of business if they don't adapt.
This company owes a lot of money in Florida because right now they're actually working illegal.
And I decided to do this video about how much should you pay, because their gimmick is very simple. They prey on elderly people.
This is LeafFilter. It's a surgically engineered stainless steel microfilter set inside a vinyl extrusion piece, which goes right on top of your pre-existing gutters. We seal them up, that way you never have to clean your gutters out again.
And they would not leave your house until you buy from them. Well, little did I know how many of you will share your stories in comments under that video. I'm gonna put a link below to that video, and you can read all the comments yourself. But pretty much you guys proved everything I was talking about, and I did not know how bad it is. They're calling us, asking us, Dmitry, we don't know what to do. We're trying to dispute the transaction. Why would this elderly couple, spend $8,000 on something that who knows if it's gonna work? And I agree, it's overpriced, 100% overpriced. So I believe there's a better way to do business. And I believe that the companies who are pressuring you would not leave the house until you buy should be just kicked out of the marketplace. I will not stop making these videos until I see those companies, go out of business. That's my mission, guys. If you don't have internet and someone's trying to sell you a '96 Civic for $10,000, it's your job with the person with the internet to educate them. Hey, the market value of that car is $1,500. Don't pay 10 grand just because someone knocked at your door. I'm gonna take this off, it's getting hot. Let's just read a couple of reviews here. After personal experience, LeafFilter has proven to do more damage than good. This company will not stand behind their promises the greasy salesperson will make during their initial consultation. They said they would replace a portion of my gutter, but then they reneged, and when they found it was too challenging, so they just screwed their cheap filter over the top of my existing gutter, and took me a full day and hundreds of dollars to fix what they screwed up.
Another one.
I worked for LeafFilter for 2.5 years. I have been installing gutters since 2000. It is a decent product if installed correct. Problem is the company will hire anyone and they will put the product on any gutter in any condition. They have told me to put it over frozen ice and leaves and they would deal with it later. Yes, at my expense. They would take the money out of checks for callback. There's much better products out there. People, don't waste your time with LeafFilter. Well, LeafFilter, my question for you, why can't you just find maybe a price in the middle and just go with that price and start gimmicking people? Because here's the deal, it pisses me off, like that commercial you did like 6-7 years ago, lady singing and being all happy how she hired, I mean, it was even a rap song.
It might seem the system's deep in debris, but I don't worry because the gutter's clog free. So if I see it pile up the roof and a windy day don't make it go poof, I know that a ladder I won't go up.
$9,000 for a very small house, and she seems happy. Who has $9,000 for gutter covers?
I did throw up a little bit in my mouth.
For $9,000, I could buy 5 gutter cover jobs, you know, with a similar product from your competition. So what's so happy about paying $9,000 when you can actually do the job for $3,000 because your price is so jacked up? And who is paying that price? Well, elderly people.
I know what you're thinking. You're saying, hey, you should have done some research like I'm doing. Maybe you wouldn't be in this situation. You're a smarter person than me, or at least a smarter person than I was.
Who are not willing to confront you, who are not confrontational, they want to be nice. Would you let your elderly parents to buy overpriced product? Comment below, I want to hear from you.
Another one.
I only have 70 feet of gutters and they quoted me $3,400. I almost laughed at his face. He could tell I wasn't interested at that point, and without me asking, he moved down to $2,600. Wow. I'm still not interested, but good to know I should be paying half that. Thanks. I don't want you guys to think we're only reaping on contractors or on the companies who overprice. I'm gonna plug in a really good player with similar price range. I have no affiliation with them. As a matter of fact, they're my direct competitor. They're not gonna drop down all the way down, and I know they will stand behind the warranty, but it's not only gutter covers. You actually have a gutter. It's a gutter and gutter cover itself.
Do you know that every one of our crews has at least one person on the crew with 100,000 feet of installation experience?
Maybe it's not for every house. It depends on the pitch, depends on the slope. If you have, 1812 cedar shake roof, it might not be the case. I'm not plugging them in to say go and do business with them. I just want to show you an example of good, clean company. They're also big. They sell a lot of leaf guards, but they do it right. They don't gimmick people. They don't take advantage of people. They will leave your house after they present you the price and after they ask for your business. If you tell them you're going to think about it, whatever the case is, they're not going to pressure you. And I appreciate that. That's why I respect them, and that's why they're worth mentioning in a video like this. Older people tend to accept everything at face value. They tend to trust people, and if someone's saying, hey, it's $7,000, he's a nice guy, why would he lie to me? They don't know that they can get price down to $3,000. Now you know, don't let LeafFilter screw you.
Another one.
This is the best review of what one should pay I've ever seen anywhere. You present well, in my opinion. In perfect world, there should be very little negotiation. I agree, and thank you for that comment. I don't negotiate for a TV, a washing machine, or a sofa. So why should I have to listen to some BS sales speech and have to negotiate for the best price on the gutter system? The more impact we have, the more you guys engage, the more you comment, the more you share your feedback and reviews, the more people will be educated, and we will as a public change their sales BS. Because I'm like you, I don't ever want to overpay for a product. I want to educate myself what I really need, and I want to know the fair price for that product and for that service.
And another one.
I just received a quote today and got the same line to a T, 3350 square feet. That's exactly right, guys. You're gonna get start at about $32, $33, and they will drop all the way to $12. So if you really need good, trustworthy contractor, I would like to help you because I can't stand this anymore. I'm in a really good financial position where I can help a lot of people. I can just connect the dots. I know how many of you are looking for a good product. I know good product, I know good contractors, and it's 3 dots for me. I'm here to help masses because problem is real. Take care of your elders, take care of your parents. Don't overpay, find the product that works. And if product I do recommend don't work, let me know in comments below, and I would like to have conversation why you think it's not gonna work. Here's my final take on LeafFilter. LeafFilter, we don't think you have a horrible product. I think it's actually competitive. It's not the worst, it's medium, high, like somewhere 2/3 from the top. It's all right product, but what you do to some people, you know, when we get calls, people concerned about you know, older people who cannot make decisions, we feel like you're taking advantage of those people. It's not ethical. Maybe it's legal.
Right now, they're actually working illegal.
But it's right there on I mean, something has to be done about it, and that's what we do here at the Roofing Insights. Now, if you're the homeowner and you're looking for a product that works, I highly recommend Leaf Solution. We have hundreds of contractors in our network. We don't get paid commissions when you buy from our contractors. So we simply connect the dots. We know demand, we know how many homeowners are looking for products. We know how many roofing contractors we have in our directory, and our directory actually designed to help those contractors. So we connect good product with a good people, with a good contractor. You can buy it from our contractors direct. They will sell it to you, just like this is my business. You can come to my business here in Minneapolis. You can buy amazing accessories that you cannot find anywhere else. We're just trying to put you in front of trustworthy contractor who will charge you fair market rate, will not try to scam you, fraud you, will not play any gimmicks with you, who will just say it how it is, will give you fair price. I stand behind my work. I want you to trust contractors in our network because honestly, in this day and time, it's hard to find people you can trust. Comment below if you need any help. Reach out through the website. We will connect you with the good guys.